है ना?
Your voice is breaking actually. Hello. Okay.
Hello?
Yes, tell me.
TSL1.
TSL1. Okay, let me have a look. Yeah. So you must have done some changes somewhere. Yeah, we will see what it is. Okay, so now,
Thank you.
so somebody talked about the Seri company code. Who is it? Last class he was referring to, right? So he asked a couple of times today. Okay, no problem.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, in step 11, Episode 52, after creating, I can't create session, it's showing no list generated.
So which means that the account, either the loan is a GL account, you have the loan entry you have posted, right? Have you
Yes,
checked
sir.
the value date?
Yes, sir. I did.
Value date you change it to backdated, right?
Yes, sir.
Or you the loan GL account, did you select open item management?
I guess so.
Check that. If it is
Okay.
not selected also, you will get that.
Okay.
Yeah. If you not indicate us, it will not pick, sir.
If you?
If you indicate us, you have given
Yes, that is also possible. Yes, if in the GL account, if you have not specified the loan indicator, interest indicator, then also it will give the same problem. So somewhere the link is broken, basically.
Sir, I have not given the value date. Now can I give?
Go to the change document and you can.
Can I change to
FD0, yeah, you can go to here na, you can go to FD03 / FD03, you can go, and here you can open the document actually, you can open like this. Okay, what is our company code? E, right? And then probably what was the document number, loan document number? 75, let us see. Okay, so some number, yeah, any number, right? So what you can do, you can open the document, click on this line item like this, and then here you will get the, if you click on the change value date, you can change. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Click on the change. Welcome. Now, yes, tell me.
Again, step number 10 and 11.
I have a problem with DME, sir. Finally, the result is not getting. I've took help of lab faculty too, but they also couldn't solve, sir.
What is happening?
In the DMA administration, finally, at the time of execution, it's saying no record is found.
Okay, DME, data medium exchange, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't worry, sometimes server issues can be there. Don't worry, if you have understood the process, because the problem with the DME is not only other aspects are also there, right? Process interface, which is there, ABAP is there, right? Some other steps we are doing, which are not ours.
Yes, sir,
Even
but
if you are not,
I have did couple of times and lab faculty also did, but server I don't know why it's troubling.
we understand here. If it is something F5, we know. We are not copying anything, right? We are just creating as a fresh thing. Also, we know why we are doing what we are doing, right? But when you are copying other things, like DMA formatically we copied, we don't know what is, and what is there in the original also we don't know. Who changed it, what changes are there, somebody disturbed it, we don't know. We just copied it, na?
Yes, sir.
So others work we are doing, blindly we are doing, right?
Okay.
If the result is not coming means we cannot help it, right? So some disturbance is there somewhere.
Okay.
Which we do not know, that is the problem. Okay, and we don't have to know also, that's correct. It is not our work.
Oh,
correct?
Okay. Thank you.
Right. Okay, so step number 10, post backdated loan transaction. Backdated loan transaction we have to take, this is FD50, right? Common. So you have to go there, give the backdated, right? 1 month before, at least 1 month before you give, and you post the transaction. And here make sure you have the correct value date, right? Actually about the value date. The value. Yes, sir.
When I was posting the invoice and validated, but it was not accepting them.
What I'm not accepting means what it is saying.
The previous date was not taken. November. When I was posting FD50 entry, I have given the date of 1st of November, but it was not.
Correct. Not taking, we cannot use that phrase. Correct or not? So tomorrow you are a consultant, you are supporting user. Now user is saying, I have a problem. Yeah. Correct. You are asking, okay, what is the issue? He is saying, I have a problem. Correct. Can you help him? No, right? It has to be specific, right? So you will tell him clearly, tell me what is the error, what is the line it is saying, right? Then you will be able to understand the problem. That's what, whenever you face, just write down the error or what is the line, then we can understand what is the problem, right? It's not accepting means what? There could be 100 reasons why it's not accepting now. Correct? You note down the error. Next time you tell me, we can discuss it. Okay? Okay. Right. Yes, sir.
Yeah, after changing validate, it's working perfectly now. Thank you.
Step number, calculate, this also shall I repeat or is that okay? F.52, right? I'll do that.
Repeat.
So F.52, what you do is /n F.52. You go like this. And then here we will give the chart of accounts, correct? TECA, GL account 1004, right? Only one GL account I have now, correct? Yes. Now company code is what? This. Yes. And then calculation period I have already done for November, right? Yes. Now I can do for December, na? Yes? Yes, sir. Yes, I will show you for December, right? That will be better. So now I am going to have 12/2021. Yeah, currency is INR, interest calculation indicator is T1. Correct. Next. Come down. Then remove it, right? The date of last run, because it will take up to 6 steps. Yeah, we should not do that. Okay, leave it. Remove that. Next. What it is? Next, post interest settlement. Post owns if the validation is in past, update master record. Session name you give as, what is my session name?
December.
November already done, na?
No, sir.
So can I do for November again? No, right?
No, sir.
Okay. So December I am giving and then I am going to click on the execute, yeah? So the good thing is it will only create the batch session, it will not post directly. So if you click on execute, it will show you this is what it is, okay? So now we are getting an interest of 11,506. Okay, this is the last month, sorry. Last month it was a 10 lakh. Correct? It was 10 lakh and last month it was 1,000. How much was it? 11,000. It is carry forward, na? So now the total balance is 1,11,500 on this 31 days. So I told you, no, balance plus interest, right? Compound interest. Did we pay the interest? No, right? Correct now. We have not paid the interest now. What is the balance in the loan account now? And what is the balance in the loan account? 1,04,000, correct. What is the balance in the loan account now? It is 10,11,500. So on this interest will be calculated now. No, I did not pay the interest, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So on 10,11,506 for 31 days, you can calculate. It will come down to at the rate of 14% interest. It will come down to 12,027.2. So this is the interest for the month of December. Okay. So now how I am going to post this through the batch input section. What is the session? December. Okay, so now what I will do? System,
System,
services,
back input,
input,
then
session. Then December session you will
select
select
December,
process, display error, extended log,
process,
okay done? So this is the December as also posted now, right? Exit back. On what date it will post this December interest?
December.
It will post on
31st December.
not on 31st December, right? Because if it posts on 31st December, how can it calculate the 31st date interest rate?
First January.
1st January, correct? If you observe here, FSNL, right? FSNL, that interest will be posted in the next month, first, you say 10th period.
Yes.
So it is posted on what date if you observe here? 1/1/2020. Correct? December interest is posted on the 1st January. November interest is posted on the 1st December if you observe it. Got it? Okay, understood. So repeat what this one, interest, FSNL,
F52.
S52, F.52. I cannot repeat. If I have to repeat, then I have to repeat for January again, right? I'll just show you the picture.
Yeah, sure.
Given line. Okay, so for the period December I have given. See, I have interest calculation indicator is E1, and then come down, remove the last one like this, and then you go to post interest settlement, post validation in the past, update master record, session name you give as December. Session name you give as this. Okay? Okay? Done?
Sure.
Sir? Yes?
The process of marketing that we use.
So that system service also.
Process of masking?
Yeah. Sir, we use the process of marketing just because we have multiple bank loan accounts and multiple rate of interest.
Multiple rates of interest is different, right? I want to run this consideration for multiple loan accounts. See, tomorrow, suppose if I give here 1,04,000. Now after 2 months, they are taking another loan from another bank. Now, do you want the consultants again to come here and give everything? Alright. Right? They can have many loans in the process. No? Right? For all of them, you want to define the consideration now itself, or every time again you want to do. So to apply this configuration for all the future loans or existing loans, I want to put them on. Okay, clear? Yeah. So plus means any number it will have. That's it.
We can change the rate after that.
We can change the
Interest rate.
rate. We have to change the indicator, right?
Yeah.
Change in the
Different
indicator.
indicators.
Reference rates if you change, it will change now.
Okay. Alright.
You got